In this video, we'll deploy Harbor on Cuemby Cloud. We'll start by selecting the Harbor image from the marketplace and configuring some necessary variables, such as the host name, which can point to an external domain. In this case, we'll test the DDNS or no IP service to verify the configuration and deployment of Harbor with a custom domain in the IP address. Once Cuemby Cloud provides the server's public IP address, we create the registry. Then we can configure file size parameters and the necessary passwords to run Harbor. We configure the compute and hard drive resources, as well as the network and backup settings. There are two important aspects for the client within Cuemby Cloud. The first is the network, because Harbor can work with internal connectivity between services or with a public IP address. In this case, controlled external access to the registry is required. The second is backup management, which is key to protecting the environment's information and ensuring greater operational continuity, especially when the registry is part of the deployment cycle for several applications. Once Cuemby Cloud provides the public IP address, we proceed to create the DNS record. This is necessary during application deployment so that when all the configurations and SSL system are created on our machine, they can recognize the public IP address configured in the respective DNS. Harbor is an open-source registry designed to store, manage, and protect container images and other OCI artifacts. In addition to storing images, it also incorporates controls, such as policies, vulnerability scanning, and role-based access control. We verify that Harbor is ready and available to begin publishing and managing images more securely and centrally. We access the created DNS record and see that it works correctly. So, with Cuemby Cloud, we can have Harbor ready in just a few steps, with a clear foundation of infrastructure, connectivity, and backups to work in a clear and organized manner.